This is the March BirchBox. It just says here, we all deserve to feel iconic. So let's see what's in here to make us feel iconic. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have this. So this is the March BirchBox. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Pop a little comment down below as well. That always helps. And if you could share my channel with your friends and family on your social media, or anything else that you can think of to get my channel out there, would be very much appreciated, because the quicker I get to 2,000 subscribers, the quicker we can get on with the giveaway. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's just going to be showing you what the 3 prizes are going to be. So yeah, get subscribed. There is the box. Very pretty indeed. Lovely shades of blue. And it just says on the front there, we all deserve to be iconic. Yes, we do. It's inside the box. We have the edit card. It's got information on all the products in the box, so that will come in useful throughout the video. And then there is a little sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we have. So just quickly back to the edit card. It just has a note here. Let's quickly give that a read. And it just says, "Hello BirchBoxers, this Women's Month, you're the main character. We want to encourage everyone to create their own definition of success. Remember, you are unique in your own way, so forget about external pressure and be your own icon for a change." If you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. Click that link and you'll get 30% off if you order a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription. And it is $12.95. Yes, I had to check there. $12.95 per month. The first product we have is this. Very pretty packaging indeed. So this is by the brand Vitamasques, and it's a rose petal jelly toner. Okay, I love a good toner, and yeah, it definitely looks jelly in there. So let's have a look. It does not say that this is a full size product, so it's probably a deluxe size. You get 30 mils in here. And it just says, make some space on your sink, because here comes the next skincare routine essential. This jelly texture toner is designed to hydrate and nourish the skin without stripping essential minerals, with the help of its hyaluronic acid and rose extract formula. Plus it's vegan friendly. So yeah, very interesting indeed. So we're gonna have to feel the texture of this. This is sealed, but we're definitely going to open this one because I need to know. Right, so there it is. So ooh, it's running down there. So the second you touch it, it turns to a liquid. So that's nice. I've put way too much on there. Definitely has a rosy scent. So if you do not like the rose scent at all, you're really not going to like this. But it's quite pleasant enough. Feels really nice and hydrating and cooling on the skin. Yeah, feels quite nice. It did say on there that this is £19.99, but I am presuming that's for a full size, which this is not. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Green Frog, and it's an argan oil body lotion. Again, this is not a full size. It doesn't say that it is, but if it were, it would be £13.95. It just says, nourish dry winter skin with this hydrating body lotion that blends sweet smelling argan oil and moisture boosting glycerin, tongue tied, made from 85% natural ingredients. This gentle formula intensely softens and hydrates for 48 hours and never leaves a sticky residue. Oh, okay. So there is 50 mils in here, so enough to have quite a few tries of. So let's have a little try of it. So I've just popped a little bit there. It feels nice. Feels nice and light. Is that a coconut smell? It smells like coconut. It's argan oil, but it really does smell like coconut. That's gorgeous. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Marcelle, and it's Extension Plus Curl Mascara. It says that is a full-size product. It's really small for a mascara. Okay, so it says that this is £14.50. Using a unique curve and tapered brush that hugs the natural shape of your eye, this blacker than black mascara grabs hold of your lash to define, lengthen and curl. What more could you ask for? Plus a beautiful formula that stays in place all day whilst never clumping or flaking. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip each and every lash from root to tip. Right, let's have a look at this brush. Right, so there is the brush. You can see how it is curved. I really, really like the look of that brush. Very, very nice indeed. I am shocked that that's a full size. It's quite small. Right, so the fourth item we have is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me, and this is Wonder Eye Cream. It doesn't state on here that this is a full size, so it's not. There's only 7 mils in here. If you were to get a full size, it would be £20. It just says this wonderful multitasker softens, smooth and brightens the delicate eye area. Its unique blend, including roman, chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rose hip and carrot oils, is rich yet light enough to absorb easily. Okay, so we've received quite a few products from Balance Me. Have we received the Wonder Eye Cream before? I don't think we have. I think we've received an eye cream, but not this one. I don't know. I'm confused, but I've gotta love an eye cream, absolutely. Although you can just use your normal face cream. But yeah, I like most of Balance Me's products, but there it is there. It feels nice, light and creamy. Definitely moisturising. It has a pleasant smell on it, very, very nice indeed. Yeah, okay. I will be trying that out tonight, I think. The very last item we have in this box is this. So this is by the brand Brave.new.hair, and it is a keratin shampoo. This is not a full size. You get 75 mils in here. If it were a full size, it would be £13. It just says, getting to work in just a few moments. The magnificent protein treatment restores essential hydration in no time. Perfect for those with dry, damaged hair or strands that need extra love. This deeply conditioning formula instantly strengthens and smooths whilst boosting elasticity and shine. Fantastic. I just wish it came with a conditioner. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Now that does smell like coconut. God, it smells so good. Yeah, super excited to try that. So this is the March BirchBox. What do you think? Personally, it's an okay box. There's nothing exciting about this box, unfortunately. The one full-size product that is in this box is pretty small, which is a little bit disappointing. I mean, it wasn't going to be gigantic in any way. A normal size mascara isn't absolutely huge, but that is not the size of a normal mascara. But never mind, if that's their full size, that's their full size. So there's a little bit of everything in here. I like that I've got a jelly toner, so I'm quite excited to use that on my face, and it does turn to a liquid as soon as you touch it. The body lotion smells so good, so good. Really nice to get a mascara. The brush seems really nice. The eye cream, yeah, I love a good eye cream. And the shampoo seems fantastic. It smells amazing, but I really would prefer to have a conditioner with it. Either sacrifice one of the other products to have a conditioner, or half that size and give me the same size conditioner as it. But you know, that's just me. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.